Next we want to test the reliability. Reliability means how reliable our questionnaire was, how consistent the results are with each other. So for that, go to Analyze, Scale, Reliability Analysis. We will have to do it one by one. CZ123, this is one variable, just press it here and hit OK. So it means for this one the Cronbach alpha is 0.845. Let me show you here. So this is the command, by the way, and you can see the first one was we did customization. Here in table it's by chance third number, but 0.845, this one 0.845. I will do it for one of them. I will do it for all of them one by one. Scale, reliability analysis, reset. Now next is LP, loyalty program, just hit OK. 4.672. So you can see loyalty program 4.67. So results are exactly same. Scale, reset. Next is customer service. Just to tell you one insight, the more items you have, the higher the chances are that you will get higher reliability. 9 is 0.790 for this customer service, so it's 0.790 here. You can then copy them into Word and you can make them neat, just like I did. Community, you select all three and shift it here and press OK. This is 0.399. By the way, the cutoff value is 0.60. Good researchers like Sekran and those, they even recommend 0.70 or high. But some people even accept 0.60, and even I've seen the references for 0.50. So above 0.50 is also acceptable in exploratory studies. There are some references available. If you have low variable, in case you have low reliability, so what you will do, suppose for loyalty program we are not getting reliability of above 0.50 or 0.60, what you will do in that case. So I'm just showing you scale, reliability analysis. First refresh. So I said loyalty program, for example, I press here and I press here statistics and scales if items deleted. This is, you click on this one, continue and OK. So it is telling me, like, if I delete LP1, so the Cronbach alpha what for the remaining items will be 0.517. So from here we can identify which item is creating more problem, and if, for example, by deleting LP2 our Cronbach alpha increase from up to 0.628. I mean, previously it is less than 0.5 and now it's jumping to 0.628. So we can delete the LP2 simply. For that we need to recreate that variable, by the way. I mean, we have to do the transform again in that case, and we do the we will recreate that variable without including LP2, for example, and hit OK, and then you will use that new variable for the further analysis. That is one way you can reduce the reliability problem.